In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the tire pressure gauge from Etenwolf. This is a digital tire pressure gauge. You click this button once to turn it on. It's got a little light on it. The reason I want to talk to you about this is because it's winter. That's a great time to have a tire pressure gauge. We're going to test it on the Ram and see how it works. And then we're also going to test it on the Harley back here because tire pressure is very important on a motorcycle as well. So I kind of want to use this on both things, and we'll test it out and see how it does. All right, we're going to go ahead and test the front tire. It's snowy out, so of course the garage is all wet from snow melting off the truck, and these wheels are filthy. They don't get a ton better, not gonna lie. Just push the button, it automatically goes to PSI. I think you can, yeah, there you go. Select a few different options for reading. The light is nice. This is saying 21.3. I don't have an air compressor here, but should be able to, just to compare it and see if it's close. That's written about 21. I did accidentally let some air out, so it probably was at 21.3 before I let the air out accidentally. Let's check another one. All right, this is the rear one on the left side of the truck. Again, just turn it on. $19.8. We need to get some air in these tires, folks. Yeah, right about 20. So it definitely seems pretty accurate. Let's go ahead and try it out on the Harley here and see if it works well on the Harley. The only real challenge I can see is, will this fit, will this get in there on the Harley? Some air pressure gauges don't work very good on different bikes. So these wheels aren't too bad to get to the valve stem. Some of these Harley wheels are pretty terrible. So I can already tell it's not going to be super easy, but is it going to be doable? There we go. 26.4, 26.6. So I did have to go through the rotor, but definitely goes on there. So that worked well. Set these here so I don't go too far ahead with the truck. It'll bump these before I actually hit the bike. So the rear wheels are always a pain in the butt on here. You have to remove the bag, so I'm not going to do that. But we did see that it works on the front one. So theoretically, it should work on the rear. So just a real short, easy video about the Etenwolf digital tire pressure gauge. I like it. I've had it for quite a while, actually. I just leave it in the truck. But you could easily just carry it on the bike as well. So you've got that. If you don't have the fancy new features of the tire pressure monitors, I don't have it on the Harley or in the truck. So having a tire pressure gauge is definitely the way to go. And it seems very accurate. And I just like using the digital better than trying to read the, old analog tire pressure gauge. Works good. Pretty happy with it, actually. So there you go. Link for it in the description if you're interested or want some more information. And that's going to do it. Stay safe as always. Have a good one. I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.